Hi, I am Blessy Babu. My race number is UR15CS062. Here I am going to explain my 8th experiment, that is configuration of EIGRP. EIGRP stands for Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. The specialty of this network protocol that this lets routers to exchange information more efficiently than with earlier network protocols. For doing this, I made all the connections, that is all the local area and wide area. I connected all the local area and wide area network. Then I given all the IP address of IP configuration for all the PCs, that is IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. For first PC I given as 192.168.1.1. Like that I given all the IP address of this thing is 192.168.1.0. Here 192.168.3.0. In the here 192.168.2.0, like that I given for all the PCs. Then here I given the IP addresses 10.1.1.0, here 10.3.3.0, here 10.2.2.0, like that given all the IP address of the then I configured the switches and router by giving the commands by giving the command en conf in the FA0 bar 0 IP address of then, and then like that I configured all the switches and PCs. Then I connected all the switches and routers together. Wherever clock rate is necessary, I given the clock rate and all. Like that we configure all the router and PCs and switches and routers we configure. Then for configuring this EIGRP, we have to give some commands, like we have to give the router EIGRP 10, that is 10 is autonomous number, so we have to give the numbers for this, that is here I am giving 10. Then we have to give the commands like network 192.168.10.0 0.0.0, then dot 255, that is IP address. Then I have to then we have to give 10 dot 2 dot that is here the for configuring this router we have to give the IP address of both these sites. So I given as 1 dot 10 dot 2 dot 2 dot 0, then 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 3, like that I given for all the three routers I given. Then like this we can configure the connection between this route EIGRP configuration. This is the experiment. Now we can see, now we can check whether it is pinging or not. I'm transferring data from here to here. It's successfully pinging. This is the experiment. Thank you.